After bankruptcy, you can rebuild your credit very, very quickly. Let me explain. After you get rid of your debts, you get a bankruptcy discharge. Your debt to income ratio is changed dramatically because all of the bad debts now are gone from your credit report. Two things can happen after you file bankruptcy and get your discharge. Number one, the creditor will delete the trade line. It's gone. All the bad debt associated with it is gone. Or number two, the creditor lists the account on the trade line, but it shows a zero balance because the bankruptcy has eliminated the debt. So now, whatever was good on your credit report stays. All the bad stuff is gone. And I've seen clients whose credit scores have jumped dramatically within months after the Chapter 7 discharge comes through. They're actually very shocked at how fast their credit score goes up. So there's a big bump, and then over time it goes up incrementally. Usually 2 years after bankruptcy, you can have a great credit score again.